Wish you an awesome morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe. Myself, Dhritika Jham from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, welcome you all. So kids, today we are going to learn about a season, our very favorite season, rainy season. So kids, now I want you to see this. These are clouds. And what is the color of clouds? Blue color. No, the color of clouds is gray. And some water drops are coming out of these clouds. And we can also see some sparks of light. And kids, can you hear something? I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I am wet too, I am wet too. Kids, it's raining. We are in rainy season. Now kids, I want you to meet my friend Johnny. But Johnny is sad because he wants to go outside and play. But he can't go outside because it's raining outside. But Johnny can go outside by taking an umbrella, wearing a raincoat and wearing gumboots. Kids, if we want to protect from getting wet, we should carry an umbrella, or else we can also wear a special type of dress that is called raincoat. Wow, Johnny is wearing raincoat. And kids, look where Johnny is standing. Kids, when the water gets stored on roads or in grounds, it forms puddle. And kids, if we play and jump in puddles, our feet can get wet. So for protecting our feet, we have a special type of boots that is called gumboots. And kids, we can also play with paper boat in rainy season. And we also see frogs and some tiny creatures in rainy season. And kids, when it almost rain stops, we tend to see rainbow in the sky. Now kids, Johnny is playing for a long time outside. Now Johnny is hungry. So let's go home and eat something. Kids, in rainy season, we love to have yummy hot pakoras and hot roasted corn. And we love to have warm milk. And kids, do you know rainy season is also known as monsoon season? So now kids, let's do an activity. Let's decorate an umbrella. So kids, for this activity, you need colorful papers, Fevicol and crayons. Okay kids, so let's start. First of all, take one colorful paper and tear it like this. Okay kids, tear it like this. And now kids, crumple it like this. You have to do crumpling like this. Okay, kids. And then we will paste the crumpled paper in our umbrella. So let's stir and do more crumpling like this. So kids, now take some Fevicol and apply it in umbrella like this. Now kids, you have to do crumpling of papers like this of different colors. Now kids, take the crumpled papers and we will start pasting it in umbrella like this. We are going to decorate our umbrella with the crumpled papers. Okay kids, like this. Okay, paste it very carefully. Okay, and take colorful papers of your favorite colors. Okay kids, now take another color crumpled papers and start pasting like this, like this. Kids, do not press it so hard. Okay, and paste it like this, slowly, slowly. Okay kids, after pasting crumpled papers, take out crayons and take out brown color crayon, and we will do coloring in this area like this. Okay kids, and our umbrella is ready. Wow, our umbrella looks so decorative and beautiful. So kids, you have to decorate this umbrella like this. Okay kids? So kids, enjoy the monsoon season. Happy monsoon!
पानी बरसा छम छम छम, लेकर छाता निकले हम। पानी बरसा छम छम छम, लेकर छाता निकले हम। पैर फिसला गिर गए हम, नीचे छाता ऊपर हम। पैर फिसला गिर गए हम, नीचे छाता ऊपर हम। पानी बरसा छम छम छम, लेकर छाता निकले हम।
So kids, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the class. Have a good day. Bye.